using the My Health application. Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the Infinix XWatch H4, and on this video we are going to show you the process on how to connect it with our iPhone. Remember, we have a tutorial on how to connect it in the Android smartphone. This time we are going to connect it with iOS platform. So if you are interested in getting the Infinix XWatch H4 and you have an iPhone, watch this video first and see if it works with the iOS platform. And if you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below. Support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and pair or connect it with our iPhone. I'm going to reset this first to make it sure that there's no conflict. So we will reset it. I don't know if it's still connected with our other smartphone. Just to make it sure, we'll reset the wearable. We reset the smartwatch. So scan the QR code to bind the watch. So this smartwatch, it is using the My Health application, as you can see here. In our case, we'll just search it instead of scanning the QR code. Let's search the app here in the App Store. My Health. So we have here the My Health app. So this is the application for our wearable. Let's check it out. We do have some details here. We have here the TechnoWatch. So it is also an application for TechnoWatch and Infinix. So let's download the application. So fitness and health app. So this app will be automatically installed in our smartphone. Let's see if we can connect it with our Infinix XWatch H4. So 217.3 MB. It's a bit big, but let's wait. Now that the download is complete, let's open the application. Tap on open. So we have here our permission. Okay. Tap on welcome. Then agree. Let's set our profile here. Confirm or skip. We'll confirm it. Okay, let's close. Allow the permission. Then we have here the devices. Tap on to add our smartwatch. So here it is requiring to, or it is asking to log in. So we'll log in. I will register, then we'll get back to pairing our smartwatch. So wait for it to load. So we have to register or sign up. So we need to put our email here, get the verification code, and agree to the user agreement, then log in. Okay, so I will register first, then we'll add our smartwatch. Alright, so we have successfully registered and logged into the My Health app. Now it's time to add our smartwatch. So tap on add. And as you can see, we already have here the smartwatch. Okay, so the locating of our smartwatch is very fast. we have here the Infinix XWatch H4. So we have the same MAC address here, as you can see. So tap on the smartwatch to pair it with a smartphone. Pair. Then allow. So wait for the successful connection. Then agree on the smartwatch. Okay, allow the permission for our location, and as you can see here, we are connected. We are paired. So let's double check. Search wearable device. Okay. Then so it is working. Check the push notification. Let's activate some of the apps here. Facebook, Instagram. Okay. Next, we have the Bluetooth calling. You can sync contacts. Let's check for the time here. Other settings. All day heart rate. Awake time. Let's make it 20 seconds. Time format. Change to 12-hour format time. Activate some of the reminders here. And that's it. So as you can see here, setting up with your Infinix XWatch H4 with My Health app on your iPhone is very easy and straightforward. So far, the connection is stable. Everything is okay. Let's see if we can load the dial center. Yes, you can load it. And let's have a sample download just to make sure that it's working. Download. Now downloaded. Tap on apply, and our smartwatch here switch to download mode. And let's see, and we have here our new watch face. So far everything is okay with our Infinix XWatch H4, and as you can see, it is compatible with our iPhone, and seems like the connection is stable. So for those who are asking whether it is compatible or how to install or connect your Infinix XWatch H4 with iPhone, as you can see, we have successfully connected or set up the XWatch H4 with our iPhone. Again, if you have any questions regarding the tutorial, drop a comment below. And if you find it useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.